Welcome back to Mocha and Angelica's cooking channel. So this morning for breakfast, I'm making pancakes for me and Mocha. Beautiful pancake. I know how to make dog-safe pancakes for all you people that are probably gonna hate, oh, you're gonna kill her, you can't do that, blah blah blah. Dogs can't have pancakes. Correction. I know how to make dog-safe pancakes. And this one right here is dog-safe and human pancakes because it's apple. No sugar, no nothing. Just it's apple ingredients, mashed up apple, a little bit of applesauce mixed in with original pancake batter, and made sure it had no bad stuff in it. So yeah, be right back. Yeah. Put them on the counter, it's just a little bit dirty. All right, ready? Here's Mocha's pancake. Now, she don't eat a lot, that's why she's not getting a humongous one. But there's her pancake. Like I said, she don't eat a lot, so that's why she's not getting a humongous one. And I know there's, like I said in the other, like I said, just don't mind. Can't move the stove, it's stuck to the floor. But we can't clean it over there. And I know, like I said in the other dog-safe pancakes, people are gonna be like, oh no, there's no such thing as dog-safe pancakes. I made them myself. I check every ingredient because I feed my dog raw and a little bit of kibble. So don't be trying me. I feed my dog whatever I have. The only thing I don't feed my dog is obviously chocolate, because I don't even eat chocolate. I hate chocolate. If I can't eat it, or if my dog can't eat it, I can't eat it. Just like grapes, nope. So that's why you won't be seeing me eat anything that's with grapes. So if you suggest something that was grape, I'll like your comment, but I'll never try it. Sorry, but that's just the way it's gonna be, because I ain't hurting my baby. All right, I'm back. This pancake, I got it. See, I got it. Just gonna throw it in her bowl. I'm gonna cut it up later in a minute. All right, Mocha's pancake is all cut up. Like I said, she don't eat a lot, so this is mostly all she's gonna eat for breakfast. And for all you haters saying, oh, I don't feed her enough, no, I portion out my dog's food. And since she's just has a little stomach, she will not eat a full bowl of food until it's dinner time. For breakfast, she won't eat a lot. For lunch, she eats a little bit more than this because we just got done from a long walk and she's really hungry. So the only other thing that I put on is all natural peanut butter. Now, you guys are gonna want to see the peanut butter ingredients. So here you go. No xylitol. So the sugar But the little bit of sugar, I barely put any on. Let me show you. Okay. Like I said, I barely put any on. Yeah, the counter's dirty for me. I'll clean it when I'm done with this video. So that's all I put on. Since it has sugar in it, the all natural peanut butter doesn't. And I'll maybe give her some like apples if like she's still hungry. Which she probably is going to be. So I'd like cut her up an apple. But otherwise, she don't get that much peanut butter unless it's all natural. So that's what she's eating, and obviously I'm eating the same.